First, in the library, click New Resources. Choose Text Format. We'll name it Add Knowledge and continue. Now, drag your PDF directly into the upload area. The file appears. Click Create. The system starts processing. Once done, it's added to your text knowledge list. Find your new Add Knowledge entry and click it. You'll see the extracted content. Now, click Train. The system trains on your document. Once complete, the dataset is ready. Next, let's connect this to an agent. Go to Agents. Click New Agent. We'll name this one Test New Knowledge and create. In the Agent Editor, find Knowledge, expand Text, and click Add. Select your Add Knowledge library, add it, and then save the agent. Let's test it. We'll open our knowledge source again and copy a phrase, like model architecture. Then paste it into the chat preview to ask our agent. And there it is. The agent uses the knowledge retriever to answer directly from your PDF. You can even inspect the tool call. That's how you give your agent PDF knowledge in AgenticFlow.